Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your property tax account on MCD online website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mcdonline.nic.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official MCD website, from which you can click on the online services button at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose your area. Start by choosing your zone from the zone section and then enter your ward. You can then choose your colony from the colony drop-down menu, and after you have chosen all of these options, click on the search box. You will then see three different options, from which you will need to click on online service. From the online services page, click on the intra dashboard login and you will be taken into the login portal. Now enter your email address that you have used while signing up to create your account within the email address box. Then type in your account password within the password box. Now before clicking on the next button, you will need to click on the checkbox which says I consent to the terms of use. Then click on the next button and you will be logged into your account on the MCD property tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log in to your MCD online property tax website account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.